Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I want to tell you about a trip I took to what it used to be the Navy base of Roosevelt Roads located in my hometown of Ceiba, Puerto Rico. The tour left me a bad impression on me, the way it was being handled and how it was organized. But nevertheless, let's continue. This is such a beautiful place, and the so-called eco-tourism center is nothing but an abandoned building, one of many that are now being claimed by Mother Nature. It seems to me that a couple of people are taking possession of what used to be the U.S. Navy headquarters in Puerto Rico and converting this facility in what they call an eco-friendly facility. For guests and development of the area, they say. I really don't understand the concept of making it look like a concentration camp. That is beyond my comprehension. But anyhow, I took the tour. We walked on the noon-hot pavement for about 2 miles. After we have seen these abandoned buildings along the way on our way to the eco facility, we see them once again. We just passed what it used to be the gas station, and we are passing now what used to be the chapel, also what used to be the bowling alley. And right in front of what used to be the main exchange and the commissary area, we turned to our right and took a small road all the way to the beach. Once we reached the beach, some of the members of the tour took a swim all the way to La Piedra del Indio, which is a Taíno rock. Vamos a aventurarme por aquí, a ver qué hay aquí dentro. Wow. La verdad es que esta es tierra de nadie. Look at this. Incredible. I'm going to leave a link below this video of one of my videos in which I describe this area, because this was the area where my parents and my grandparents grew up. In fact, the Piedra del Indio was one of their playgrounds. Like I said before, this is one of the most beautiful places. It must be one of the most beautiful places in the Caribbean. And see it in this condition is very sad. This is all I have for now. I hope you like this video and that you come back to see me again. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.